Let's go now.
Willow, we're working on patience.
I'm not working on it.
We're not going to do that right.
I'm not waiting.
You have to wait.
No, I don't.
Everybody else is waiting. You need to wait.
I'm not everybody.
I don't care.
You don't care, I don't care.
Do not talk back.
You talking back?
Patience is a virtue.
Patience is not for dogs.
It is.
Not.
Everybody else is being good.
Well, good for them.
You're very mouthy.
I have a lot to say.
This is a lot.
And more coming.
I
A
know.
lot more.
This is a lot to deal with.
Well, I'm getting it all out.
I know. Well, you're just going to have to deal with it.
You can miss me with all that.
We're gonna work on being patient.
I ain't working on squat.
I don't care if you don't
You
work.
can.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I'm the boss around here.
And I'm the CEO. And you are fired.